Welcome to Future Aspirants. Now we will discuss 21st July Current Affairs 2021. Russia has successfully test-fired its new S-500 air defense missile system on July 20, 2021. Which country has successfully test-fired its new S-500 air defense missile systems? Russia. The S-500 is the most advanced anti-missile system in the world and is expected to have a range of 600 kilometers. Whereas S-500 is the most advanced anti-missile system in the world and is expected to have a range of 600 kilometers. President of Russia, Vladimir Putin. Capital of Russia, Moscow. Currency of Russia, Russian ruble. The Asian Development Bank ADB has downgraded India's economic growth forecast for the financial year 2021 to 10%. Earlier it was estimated at 11%. ANDB projected India's economic growth forecast at the financial year 2021 to 2022 to 10%, whereas earlier it was estimated at 11%. India's largest oil firm, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. India's largest oil firm, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation, will build the first green hydrogen plant of the country at its Mathura refinery. The plant is built to meet the growing demand for both oil and cleaner forms of energy. Which oil firm has set up first hydrogen green plant at UP? IOC, Indian Oil Corporation. Chairperson of Indian Oil Corporation, Srikanth Madhav Vaidya. Headquarters of Indian Oil Corporation located at Mumbai. Indian Oil Corporation founded on 30th June 1959. The Government of India has extended the duration of the Stand Up India scheme up to the year 2025. Government of India extends Stand Up India scheme up to the year 2025. The scheme was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 5th April 2016. The scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 5th April 2016. The scheme is launched to facilitate loans to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and women borrowers to promote entrepreneurship among them. Government of India extends Startup India scheme up to the year 2025. This was first launched on 5th April 2016 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Banking and financial services major Goldman Sachs has opened a new facility in Hyderabad as part of its commitment to expand its Global Center for Engineering and Business Innovation in India. Global Sachs opened its Global Center in Hyderabad. CEO of Global Sachs, David M. Solomon, headquarters located at New York, United States. Global Sachs founded on 1869. Which financial services major opens its Global Center in Hyderabad? Goldman Sachs. The Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Ropar, has developed a first of its kind oxygen rationing device called AMLEX. Which Indian Institute of Technology has developed a oxygen rationing device AMLEX? IIT Ropar. The device is used to save the oxygen which otherwise gets wasted unnecessarily. The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) has announced the appointment of the Union Minister for Minority Affairs, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, as the Deputy Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha. Who appointed as the Deputy Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha? Minority Affairs Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Naqvi takes over from Piyush Goyal, who has been elevated as the Leader of the House in the Upper House. Deputy Leader of the House in Rajya Sabha, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. OFT, Ordnance Factory, Tiruchirappalli, hands over 15 stabilized remote control guns to Indian Navy and 10 to Indian Coast Guard. OFT, Ordnance Factory, Tiruchirappalli, hands over 15 stabilized remote control guns to Indian Navy and 10 to Indian Coast Guard. 15 to Indian Navy and 10 to Indian Coast Guard. Assam State Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has assured jobs for all national games medalists of Assam from now on. He also mentioned that all those who won medals in national games so far for Assam would be given sports pension by the state government. Which state government has announced that who won medals in national games would be given sports pension by the state government? The state government is Assam. Assam CM assures government job for all national game medalists. Governor of Assam Jagadish Mukhi. Chief Minister of Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma. NMGC National Mission for Clean Ganga. NMCG, National Mission for Clean Ganga. In its 36th Executive Committee has approved new projects for the rejuvenation of 6 rivers in Uttarakhand. National Mission for Clean Ganga approves new projects for rejuvenation of 6 rivers in Uttarakhand. Governor of Uttarakhand Baby Rani Maurya. Chief Minister of Uttarakhand Pushkar Singh Dhami. The 6 rivers are Bela, Dela, Kicha, Nandur, Pilanka and Kosi. National Mission for Clean Ganga approves new projects for rejuvenation of 6 rivers in Uttarakhand. The government has decided to set up the Indian Institute of Heritage at Noida, Gautam Buddha Nagar. Indian Institute of Heritage is decided to set up at Noida, Gautam Buddha Nagar. Billionaire Jeff Bezos has made a short journey to space in the first crewed flight of his rocket ship, New Shepard. Jeff Bezos has made a short journey to space in the first crewed flight of his rocket ship, New Shepard. He was accompanied by Mark Bezos, his brother, and other 2 members. Jeff Bezos exclaimed, "Best day ever." New Shepard, built by Bezos company Blue Origin, is decided to serve the burgeoning market for space tourism. New Shepard was built by Bezos company Blue Origin. CEO of Amazon Andrew R. Jassy. Amazon founded on 5th July 1994. China unveiled a maglev train capable of top speed of 600 km per hour. China unveiled a maglev train which is capable of 600 km per hour. Using electromagnetic force, the maglev train leviates above the track with no contact between body and rail. It uses the electromagnetic force. At 600 km per hour maglev train, it would only take 2.5 hours to travel from Beijing to Shanghai by train, which is a journey of more than 1000 kilometers. Capital of China, Beijing. Currency of China, renminbi. President of China, Xi Jinping. Which country unveiled 600 km per hour maglev train? China. Peramkulam in Kollam district has been bestowed with the title Kerala's first book village. Kerala's first book village, Peramkulam in Kollam district. Chief Minister of Kerala Pinarani Vijayan. Governor of Kerala Arif Muhammad Khan. LIC Life Insurance Corporation of India has introduced Arogya Rakshak Insurance Plan. It is a non-linked, non-participating individual health insurance plan. The plan provides fixed benefits health insurance cover against certain specified health risk. The policy is available for principal insured or spouse or parents aged between 18 and 65 and children of age 91 days to 20 years. Which insurance corporation has launched Arogya Rakshak Insurance Plan? LIC Life Insurance Corporation. Headquarters of LIC located at Mumbai. LIC founded on 1st September 1956. Chairman of LIC M.R. Kumar. LIC founded on 1st September 1956. Arogya Rakshak Insurance Plan was launched by Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. Thank you for watching.